Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from the Robinhood app. A lot of people ask about this because it's a bit hidden in the app. Robinhood is an investing platform where you can trade stocks, crypto, and more, so let's get straight into it. First, open your Robinhood app and check your buying power. This is the amount you can actually withdraw. Keep in mind that if you just sold some stocks, your funds might be on hold for a few days. Here's what to do. Go to your profile by tapping the bottom right corner. Open the menu in the top left corner. Tap on Transfers. This is the hidden screen for moving your money out. Make sure you have a bank account linked. Next, tap Transfer Money from your brokerage account. Select your bank account. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Tap Review, then Transfer. Your withdrawal will be submitted, and the money may take up to 5 business days to appear in your bank. Once it's done, your withdrawable cash will update to 0 in the app. And that's it. That's how you cash out your money from Robinhood. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, comment your questions, and subscribe for more Robinhood tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.